Okay, disability insurance. Okay, y'all, here's the way this works. If you make, and everybody please look, you make $24,000 a year, you will get $1,300 a month if you choose this insurance. And the way it works, if you are disabled for like 7 days, it will actually, and you pay this amount, it will actually go back to day 0 and pay you like that amount for like that week. This one kicks in after 14 days, but it doesn't start paying you. You miss out on 2 weeks of pay. This one doesn't kick in for a month, and you miss a whole month of pay before it starts. This one's 2 months, 3 months, and 6 months. Now, and if you make these amounts, now there are more amounts I have on different rate charts. I just kind of put some up here as a sample to look at. Now, here's a perfect example. I'm going to talk about this here. Suppose somebody got pregnant, and they had this one here, and the doctor, hey, listen up, y'all, hey, it's being recorded. The doctor put them on disability because maybe the last 2 months they need to not be working for the safety. Well, if they get this insurance, like if you had that for 7 days, it would pay them for like that amount. Like if they were making this much right here, they would get $2,000 for like the next 2 months of the pregnancy and probably the first month of the next one. I know that happened in one particular case. I also know, I will talk about, like, I used to pick this one out here because as a teacher, I have already like 80 sick days built up. So I used to think, well, I just wanted something in case something really catastrophic happened, because out here it doesn't cost near as much as what? Kicking in right there. So, you know, it's not like that much, and that way if something really, really bad happened to me, I knew I could at least take care of my family for like the rest of my life. I have since no longer do this because if something really bad happens like that now, I'm at the age of retirement. I can just take retirement and already still have what? Some money coming in. So it's about a peace of mind thing. Also, like, you know, if things happen, like what can you afford? It's real expensive up here. It's not as expensive, you know what I'm saying, out here. Obviously, the more you make, the more you have to what? Pay. So if you want this insurance, here's the way it works. Say you make $36,000, you have to do it this way right here. You can't go down to this line, and you can't go up to this line and pay that to get these amounts. Here's what you make. That's what you would get right here. So if you want to take it into effect after like 7 days, you pay this amount, or right here. Okay? That's the way that the disability works. Okay?